In this lesson, we're going to be looking at who we actually send the mails to. And as you can see, this is divided into three categories: to, CC and BCC, and we'll be discussing these in detail right here. First of all, we should be sending a mail to the person we expect to do something, to be taking some action. We want some information from them, we want some action from them, we want some assistance from them. That's the person you send the email to. Now, if you look at this example, you'll see there are a number of people in the to category. I personally am not a great fan of this system because the more people you have, the more likely you are to be in one of two situations. Situation A is where everybody leaves the mail to somebody else to handle. Ultimately, nobody does anything. And situation B is where everybody who receives the mail starts getting busy, and then we have duplication. The company who sent this mail told me that what they actually do is to write an action instruction next to every name. I, as I mentioned, prefer to keep the to section to as few people as possible. Then we come to CC. CC means copy, and historically CC means carbon copy, because those of you who are old enough to remember, when secretaries used a typewriter, in order to make a copy, they would need some black sticky carbon paper in between the sheets so that they could make a copy of the original. Now again, here you can see that there are quite a lot of people in the copy section. And I'd ask you to put up your hand if you read all of the mails you receive a copy of. And the question is, why do people put so many names in the copy? And the reply I usually get is, these are people who need to know. It's very difficult to know who needs to know something. Sometimes I get the feeling that people do it for political reasons and not necessarily for business reasons, so that if the boss asks in 10 days how the project is going, then you can say with a surprised look on your face, but I sent you a copy, didn't you read? So that's why you'll probably find a lot of people in the CC category. But again, try to decide who really needs to know what's going on directly with the situation that you're handling. BCC is blind copy. Now, this is a way of copying a third person without the second person knowing that the third person has a copy. So if one of my students is late to one of my courses, I send him a mail the next day and I say, Shlomi, it's a pity you were late for the lesson yesterday. Time is money and you missed a lot of important information. Shlomi's probably not going to get terribly excited about that. But if Shlomi suddenly discovers that I sent a blind copy to his boss, and his boss, who is giving him the time and the money to study, is going to be very angry with him, Shlomi's going to come back to me and say that that wasn't very nice, that I went behind his back. And of course, he's correct. You are not supposed to send BCCs to third people in this situation in order to go behind somebody's back. So why does a BCC exist? BCC exists if, for example, your offices are closing for some national holiday and you want to advise all of your suppliers or all of your customers, but you don't want all of your customers or all of your suppliers to see each other's address. Then it's fine to use BCC. They won't see each other. There's no state secrets. You're not going behind anybody's back, and you're sending a message which everybody can read without being bothered about who has copies. But try not to send BCCs to people, third parties, on a personal basis. In the next lesson, we'll be looking at how to write dates. You'd be surprised how important this can be too.